is the Iverson Gunworks channel. In case you haven't seen my intro video on my Kyle Iverson channel, 35, was in the Marine Corps. I was an armorer. I got out and used the GI Bill to go to various schools. Eventually I landed on SDI to continue working in guns. I was QC for a gun company out here in Las Vegas. And yeah, I mean, guns are just my passion. I love shooting. I love fixing guns. I love working on them and tinkering, which is why I have a Springfield Prodigy. This gun is kind of a piece of shit. Sample size of 1, as I always say. You know, yours might be a lot better. Mine was not, and required quite a bit of tuning and new parts. So let's dive into it. This video will just be strictly on field stripping. So first things first, you will need an Allen wrench. Does this have the size? No. Not sure what size, but it does come with the Allen wrench that is required. I'll put that up on the screen as well. And you want to loosen this front bushing, or not bushing, but front part of the guide rod. Just loosen it. Don't take it all the way out. Safety off. The gun is unloaded, by the way. See, nothing in the chamber, no magazine. Alright. Gotta follow the YouTube guidelines. This also is going to be put up on Rumble as well. You need to line up. You have the big notch and you have a small notch. The small notch needs to get lined up with this edge of the slide stop and the takedown pin. Then on this side, if I can get my hand out the way, you push on this. So you push it through, and now, as you can see, it's raised proud of the surface. So we pull that back, line up the little notch. It's hard to see on camera, but there is a U-shaped, like half moon piece of metal in there that you had to push out. Once you get it started, you just pull on it until it comes out. And for whatever reason, this is still dirty as hell, but that's why we're taking it apart. So now you have your frame and grip module along with all these other internals. I'll be taking that apart in another video. For this video, it's strictly we're going to focus on the slide and field stripping for cleaning and whatnot. Grab my Otis towel here because, good lord. I just cleaned this recently, but I did also shoot it with a lot of lube in there apparently, because it is quite dirty. Now you want to cover your spring, finish unscrewing that and pull that out. The spring's going to want to pop out. Now you have your spring and this piece. Not sure of the nomenclature of this. Clean that off. I'm not going to do a super thorough cleaning. You want to remove the reverse plug. Cleaning that off as well. And then you just slide the barrel, or not, out the front. I'm also doing this on my computer screen, so bear with me. I might hold something off camera because it is kind of weird to be looking up and not down at the gun. I just want to make sure I stay in frame while I clean this all off. So something I did was polish the feed ramp. When I first got the gun, it would not feed hollow points very well. It fed everything else, really no issue. So I polished that to like a mirror finish. It's since I polished it, about 200 rounds after I got it, and now I'm up to about 3,000, give or take. So it is, it has stayed quite smooth and polished. As you can see in there, fairly normal looking barrel. It's actually pretty clean, surprisingly, judging by the rest of the gun. And yeah, so there you go. You have now field stripped your Prodigy. And from there, to put it back together, you just go in the reverse order. So we slide our barrel in, insert the reverse plug, and then take your spring, and whatever this doohickey is, flip this up, and holding the spring down, you just let the spring pressure push this against the barrel. Take the other half of the guide rod, screw that on. Snug it up. Line up your rails with the slide. And as you can see in here, the holes aren't perfectly lining up. So I kind of got to wiggle my shit around until I see it line up properly. Which it's, there we go. Or not. What is going on in there? There. Now, to defeat this detent, takes quite a bit of pressure. So you just push it up at an angle. Fully seat it. And there you go. Functions check. Fire, reset, fire, bracket, reset. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that helped. And we'll see you in the next one.